Hello, in this video I want to show you how to activate or deactivate Wi-Fi networks visible on Cudy AC1200. And to do this, first thing is to open the configuration website. I've shown you how to do that in my previous video, so be sure to check it out. Next thing is to open our settings. Here enter wireless. There's two different networks. We have 2.4G and 5G. And next to the name we have a switch. And if you click on it, it will deactivate the specific network. Now you can scroll all the way down and click on Save and Apply. And this should disable this network and you won't be able to find it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.